I'm Laura with Hot Fan Media, and today I'm going to be showing you a method on how to revive the plastic on these Jeep faded bumpers. Let's get to it. So the method that I've developed is a little bit unique. We're going to use a heat gun. You're going to need some 1000 grit sanding discs, back to black, and rubbing alcohol. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is pressure wash or clean these plastic pieces very well. If there's any dirt, it'll kind of block the heat gun and make it splotchy, and that's not a good look. So pressure wash or clean them very well. You're going to want a piece of cardboard so that you can protect the paint while you're getting close to this edge here. You're going to want to put it on your highest setting and hold it about this far away from the plastic. You're going to cause damage if you start melting the grain. So you don't want to hold it really close. You want to hold it about this far away and move it in a circular motion. Don't hover in one spot for too long. Yeah, the only thing you have to really worry about damaging is the paint. That's why we've got our cardboard here. These are fine. The plastic lights are fine. So we're just gonna get started. This is obviously better than it was before. I'm not super happy with it. I feel like there's more we can do. So I tried another panel on the back and used 1000 grit sandpaper to knock down these spots where I got a little too close and the color is shiny and just a little bit different. You can just take a sandpaper and knock that shiny down a little bit. And this is already helping a whole lot. Just kind of makes the colors a little more even and smoother. I'm pretty happy with that. In some angles, you can still see a little bit of shiny, but the back to black is also going to polish this and make it a little bit shiny too, so that'll help with that. So this is the product, Mother's Back to Black. I've actually tried this before on the untreated panels and it goes on really splotchy. I've also tried black polish, that goes on really splotchy. Some people have had success with it, but doing the heat treatment and then doing the back to black really looks great. So you can see the difference. It's still a little splotchy. I think that these front panels take a lot more of the sun damage. I think this is still better. This is definitely still better than doing nothing to it. And I think that sanding in the back to black takes it up a little step further. Okay, and then the last thing I'm gonna do is take a little bit of rubbing alcohol, put it on a paper towel, and just sort of wipe it all down. And it's just kind of evening it out a little bit. Some of the Back to Black doesn't absorb all the way. And so after you've given it a little bit of time to absorb in and there's still some left on top, you can just hit it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and take a little bit of that shine down and make it a little more even. Now, as far as I know, this is a very unique method. I have not seen anybody else add all these steps into it, but I think that these steps make it look really nice. And that's it. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider giving it a like and maybe subscribing to the channel. As always, I will be happy to answer as many questions as I can in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again in the shop.